Iniimbitahan namin kayo manood ng laro namin this coming March 3 Sunday at Alonte Sports Arena against Arellano Chiefs. Suportahan niyo po kami.
Inimbitahan namin kayo manood this coming Sunday, March 3 against Arellano Chiefs at Alonte Sports Arena. Suportahan niyo po kami. See you there!
Hi UP community, we are inviting you to our game this Sunday at Alonte Sports Complex.
Hey guys, we'd like to invite you guys to watch our game on Sunday, March 3 in Alonte Sports Arena. See you there.
I'm inviting you guys to watch on Sunday at Alonte Sports Arena against University of Batangas. See you there.
Iniimbitahan po namin kayo manood this coming March 3 sa Alonte Sports Arena po. Kalaban po namin ang Arellano Chiefs. Sana po supportan niyo po ang Perpetual Sin. See you there.
Hi guys, ini-invite ko kayo manood ng game namin sa March 3 sa Alonte Sports Arena sa Binyan, Laguna. See you guys!